Hello students, welcome to Hindi Pathshala Online. In today's video, we are doing Sparsh Kaksha 10th Hindi Bhag 2. The chapter is Meera Ke Pad. So we've already completed Kabir Ke Pad. If you've not seen my video, please see this. The link will be shared in the description. Now we will be doing Meera Ke Pad. So before we start Meera Ke Pad, let's understand a little bit about Meera. Meera was married to the prince of Mewar, Bhojraj, but very early he died. So, and Meera's mother also died when she was 13 years of age, and her father also died at a very early age. So now Meera was left alone. So she left all her family, all her kingdom, and her family, and she left to live in the Vrindavan garden, Vrindavan place. So there she left and spent all her life devoted to Lord Krishna. Now let's start this pad. There are two pads given. So we'll first see the two lines we'll see. Okay. First pad. हरि आप हरो जनरी भीर द्रौपदी री लाज राखी आप बढ़ायो चीर. Okay. Now let's see the meanings. Hari means Shri Krishna. Haro is to take away. Jan, logo, people. Bheer is dard, pida, pain. Draupadi is a famous character from the Mahabharata. I hope you all know about her. Laj is respect, dignity. Izzat, Rakhi is to keep. Badayo is to increase. Cheer is kapda. So the word meanings are given in the side. I hope I've covered all the meanings. If one or two word is left, you can just stop the video and write the meaning as I'm saying it. Okay. Now let's see the explanation of the first two lines. Hari aap haro. Lord Krishna, Hari, aap haro. You take away. Oh Lord Krishna, you take away. Janri bheer. Logon ki. Jan is logo. Logo ki bheer. Pain. Pida. Oh Hari, oh Lord Krishna, take away. You take away the pain of the people. Second line. Draupadi ri laj rakhi. Draupadi is he. You kept the respect, the dignity of Draupadi. Aap badhayo cheer. By badhayo is increase. By increasing the cheer cloth, the length of the cloth. Okay. So this, I hope the two meanings are clear. First two sentence meanings are clear, children. Okay. Now let's go to the second and third line. Bhagat karan roop narhari. Ghariyo aap sarir. बुढ़तो गजराज राखियो काटी kunjar पीर. Let's see the meanings of these two lines first. Bhagat, Prahlad, Karan because of. Narhari is the Narsimha avatar, the lion avatar. Dharyo is to take. Sarir, body, tan. Burto is sinking. Gajraj, the king of elephants. Rakhyo is to pachaya, to save. Kati is to cut or to remove. Kunjar, hathi, elephant. Peer, pain. Okay. Now, I hope I did not miss any of the words. If at all any word is missed out, you can ask me in the comment section. Okay. Let's see the explanation now. Bhagat Prahlad Karan. Because of Bhagat Prahlad, you took the roop, the face, you turned your body, you changed your body to Narsimha avatar, the lion avatar. Burto Gajraj Rakhyo. Sinking. Burto is sinking. Because of the sinking Gajraj, Rakhyo is to save. Save the sinking Gajraj, the king of elephants. You saved the king of elephants. Kati Kunjar Peer and removed, you cut away or you removed his pain, the elephant pain. Okay, Kati Kunjar Peer. The last line of the first stanza. Dasi Meera Lal Girdhar Haro Mahari Peer. So now she's Dasi means servant. Meera Girdhar is Lord Krishna. Now Lal is, she is calling sweetly to Lord Krishna. Oh Lal Girdhar, I am your servant. Harom Hari Peer, take away my pain. Take away my pain. So with this, we completed this first 5 lines. Okay, I hope the 5 lines are clear. I've covered all the meanings word to word in the list. And I've also read out the meaning. If one or two words are missing, please note it down. Okay, let's go to the second stanza. साम माहने चाकर राखो जी, गिरधारी लाला mahne चाकर राखो जी. So Sam is again Lord Krishna. Mahane me. Chakar again knocker. Dasi also knocker and Chakar also knocker. Rakhoji. So Lord Krishna keep me as the servant. Girdhari Lala. Mahane Chakar Rakhoji. So sweetly she's calling to Krishna. Keep me as a servant. Mahane me Chakar Rakhoji. Third and fourth line see. Chakar hasyo baag lagasyo. Nit ut darsan pasyo. वृंदावन की कुंज गली में गोविंद लीला गास्यो. So see the meanings, children, first of these two lines. Chakar is knocker, rahasyo. Baag is garden. Lagasyo is to make. Nit rose. Ut is get up. Darsan is to see. Pasyo is I will get to see. Vrindavan is the name of a place. Kunj is garden. Gali is roads. Govind Leela Gasu. Govind is again Lord Krishna. Leela is appreciation. Gasyo is thing. So in these two lines, she's saying that being a chakar has your baag lagasyo. I will make a garden. Nit ut darsan pasyo. Nit daily ut. When I get up daily, darsan pasyo, I will see you daily. Vrindavan ki kunch gali mein. So the streets, gali is streets. The streets of Vrindavan, I will make garden. In Vrindavan streets, I will make them garden. Govind Leela Gasyo. And I will sing your appreciation song. Appreciation song I will sing in the streets of Vrindavan. Okay. Fifth and sixth line, see children. Chakri में दर्शन पासियो सुमरन पासियो खर्ची भाव भगति जागरी पासियो तीनों बाता सरसी. Okay, so this is chakri. So being a servant in the work of servant. Let's see the meaning. Chakri is the work of the servant. Darsan pasyo, I see your sight. Sumran, to remember. Kharchi is satana. Bhav bhakti is devotion. Jagari is wealth. Tinu, three. Bata sarsi. Sarsi is gain. La. Bata three. In my work, chakri mein darsan. During my work, in my work, I will see you. I will get to see your sight. Darsan pass you. Sumran pass you kharchi. And when I see you, I will not miss you. Sumran means I will always remember you. Always I'm seeing you, I will remember you always. Always. And I will not miss you. Satana means I will not miss you. Bhav bhakti jagri pasyo. Bhav bhakti means and my devotion towards you will be the wealth of my devotion towards you will increase, will be more. I will get more of your devotion. Tino bata sarsi. So three benefits I will get because of being your servant. Okay. Now in the next lines, the appearance of Lord Krishna has been mentioned. So see, we'll go word by word again. More पीताम्बर सोहे गल वैजंती माला वृंदावन में धेनु चरावे मोहन मुरली वाला. Meaning, more is peacock, is crown, पीताम्बर is yellow, sohe अच्छे, gal is gale in the neck, vaijanti mala, it is a type of flower, mala is a garland, type of garland. Okay. Vrindavan में धेनु चरावे. धेनु, Vrindavan, you know, place. धेनु is guy. Charave is feeding them. Feeding them. Mohan Murli Wala. Murli is flute. Okay. Okay. Now Mohan is again another name given to Lord Krishna. Okay. So more would be Tambar Sohe. So wearing the crown of the feather, yellow color is shining there. We have that colors on that feather. Yellow color is shining and looking beautiful. Sohe, very good. Gal Vajanti Mala. And in the neck, wearing a Vajanti Mala garland. Okay. Vrindavan में धेनु चरावे. In the Vrindavan street, we are going to feed the cows. Mohan Murli Wala. Mohan, the sweet, again calling Lord Krishna with a sweet name. That line is Uncha Uncha Mahal Badao. बिच बिच राखू बाड़ी, सावरियारा दर्शन पासियु पहर कुसुमी साड़ी. So ऊंचा ऊंचा is tall tall. Mahal palace बनाओ make. Bich bich is again in between. Rakhu bari. Rakhu keep. Bari is again garden. Savariya again sweet name give she's calling to Lord Krishna. Darsan pass you will see you. Peher kusambi sari. So kusambi sari is a type of red color sari. Okay. So let's see now. Uncha uncha tall mahal. The palace of mahals. In between the tall mahals, make one garden. Make a garden in the tall palace. Savariyara Darsan Pasim, so that I can see you when you are moving from this place to the place when I will be in the garden. From this place to that place, I will be able to see you. Savariya, I will be able to see you. Behar Sufi sari, wearing a red color sari, I will see you. Next, last two lines see. आधी रात प्रभु दर्शन दीजियो जमुना जी रे तीरा, मीरारा प्रभु गिरधर नागर हिवड़ो घनो अधीरा. So again see the meaning. Adhi Raat is midnight. Prabhu Lord. Darsan again seeing sight. Dijo Jamna ji. Jamna is Jamna river. Tira on the bank. Meerara Prabhu Girdhar Nagar. Again Prabhu God Girdhar is again talking about Lord Krishna. Hivdo is Hriday. Ghano is Zyada. Adhira is Pechen. So in the last two lines, Meera is saying that in the late night, Prabhu Darsan, in the late night, even it's midnight, give your sight to God, O Lord. Dijo Jamnare Tira. You give me your sight near the bank of the river Jamuna. The bank of the river Jamuna. Meerara Prabhu Girdhar Nagar. She's saying, O Lord, Girdhar, Lord Krishna, my heart is very excited or very much I'm missing you or very restless. Please you come and give me your sight near the river Jamuna back. Okay, so this is the explanation. In the next video, I'll be uploading the question answer. Do not forget to